The question is, what was our process like and what issues did we have prior to Chronicle? Our day-to-day workflow was definitely a lot more of logging into ERE and downloading the status sheet. I had built custom Excel prompts keyed to a keystroke so I could just sort and, hit it because I had to find out what the status was. Like, did we win or lose? And so I would download ERE status sheets probably 20 times a day. The first thing I would do when I wake up in the morning is download. Before I go to sleep, I download. It was horrible because I really wanted to know. And so I would just constantly have to smash that sheet. But the problem is that only gave us information about the hearing offices and the hearing cases. And so we were able to generally stay on top of our hearing cases through that manual processing, which was obviously a tremendous amount of time suck. The main problem we had prior to Chronicle is information related to our initial and reconsideration cases. We were constantly behind the gun in learning information about upcoming consultative examinations, requests for function reports, requests for updated information about treatment sources, and ultimately the decision from the initial and reconsideration level. We would receive calls from our clients all the time telling us if they have been approved or denied. And that does not look very good as a professional who should be on top of this. And it wasn't because we were not on top of it, but it's because we didn't have the information we needed to action to try to preempt that call from the client. We had one single pipeline coming in of actionable data, and that was the mail. It was the mail that would trigger our actions to, for example, ask the client to fill out a work history report or a function report, or to alert the client that there was a consultative examination scheduled. So that means a staff member had to scan the mail, and then someone had to task out those pieces from the mail.